Did you know that every element on Earth was formed at the heart of a star? Today, let's delve into the cosmic birth story of our very own star, the Sun. From the tiniest grain of sand to the tallest skyscraper, from the air we breathe to the water we drink, everything you see and touch once dwelled in a fiery, distant star. That's right. The very atoms that make up you, me, and the world around us were forged in the heart of stars through a process known as stellar nucleosynthesis. This stellar alchemy, where new atomic nuclei are created from pre-existing ones, is the cosmic crucible that gave birth to our sun. It's a process as mind-boggling as it is beautiful, a testament to the grandeur of the cosmos. Just as humans have a life cycle, so too do stars, and our sun's life began around 4.6 billion years ago. The sun, like all stars, was born from a cloud of gas and dust known as a nebula. This nebula, an expansive cosmic nursery, is where the story of our sun begins. Picture an enormous swirling mass of gas and dust floating in the infinite expanse of space. Over time, the force we know as gravity begins to work its magic. With an invisible hand, gravity pulls the gas and dust in the nebula together. These particles, once scattered across vast spaces, start to coalesce into a dense, hot core. This process is slow, taking hundreds of thousands to millions of years, but it's relentless. The gravity-driven gathering of matter forms what we call a protostar. But the birth of a star, our sun, is not complete yet. The core of this protostar needs to become dense and hot enough to trigger another process, nuclear fusion. This is where the magic really happens. At the heart of the star, hydrogen atoms are squeezed together under immense pressure and temperature. They collide and fuse to form helium, releasing a colossal amount of energy in the process. This energy radiates outward, counteracting the inward pull of gravity and setting a delicate balance in motion. It's this balance that ignites the protostar into a full-fledged star, radiating light and heat into the cosmos. The energy generated by nuclear fusion is what powers a star and gives it the brilliant glow we see in the night sky. This radiant energy is also what makes life on our planet possible, driving processes like photosynthesis that support all life on Earth. And thus, a star is born. Our sun, a main sequence star, began its journey in the cosmos. Like all stars, it was born from a nebula, transformed by gravity and ignited by nuclear fusion. Its birth is a testament to the cosmic forces at play in the universe, a tale of creation woven from gas, dust, and energy. The sun, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, is a giant nuclear reactor. This star at the center of our solar system is a testament to the majestic power of nuclear fusion. This is where the magic happens, deep within the sun's core. Hydrogen atoms under immense pressure and temperature join together to form helium. This process, known as nuclear fusion, releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy doesn't stay trapped within the sun. It radiates outwards, traveling millions of miles across the void of space. It's a journey that takes around 8 minutes, from the sun's surface to Earth. This energy arrives in the form of light and heat. It's enough to light up our skies and warm our planet, making life as we know it possible. But it's not just about light and heat. The sun's energy drives the weather on our planet, fuels photosynthesis in plants, and even powers the technology that we depend on every day. So, the next time you're soaking up the sunshine, remember, you're basking in the glow of a giant nuclear reactor. This energy, the light and heat radiating from our sun, is what makes life possible here on Earth. But what happens when the hydrogen in the sun's core runs out, you may wonder? Well, the sun, like all stars, has a life cycle. Billions of years from now, it will exhaust its hydrogen supply and start burning helium. This shift will cause the sun to expand dramatically, becoming what we call a red giant. As a red giant, the sun will swallow nearby planets, possibly including Earth. Its once life-giving rays will become a destructive force, rendering our home planet uninhabitable. Eventually, the helium will also run out. The sun's outer layers will drift off into space, and what remains will be a dense core, a white dwarf. This will be the final stage of the sun's life, a faint ember in the cosmos, slowly cooling over trillions of years. One day, billions of years from now, our sun will meet its end, but until then it continues to burn brightly, sustaining life on our planet. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, the sun's influence is all around us. This radiant giant isn't just a celestial body hanging in the sky, it plays an integral part in our everyday lives. Let's delve a little deeper. One of the sun's most crucial roles is in the process of photosynthesis. This is nature's way of turning sunlight into sustenance. Green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy, primarily from our sun, into chemical energy through photosynthesis. This energy fuels the organism's activities and even gets passed along the food chain, eventually reaching us. Yes, that apple you're munching on, it's essentially a product of sunlight, but the sun's influence doesn't stop at our dinner plates. It also plays a vital role in shaping our weather patterns and climate. The sun's heat causes the air in our atmosphere to move, creating winds. It leads to the evaporation of water, forming clouds that bring rain. It's the main driver of the Earth's weather and climate system, creating the diverse habitats that make our planet so uniquely vibrant. The sun's importance extends beyond sustaining life. It's also crucial for technological advancements. Solar energy, harnessed from the sun, is a renewable and sustainable source of power. It's helping us combat climate change and move towards a more sustainable future. The sun, this luminous sphere of hot plasma, is more than just a light in the sky. It's the heart of our solar system, the engine of life on Earth, and a testament to the marvels of the cosmos. It's a G-type main sequence star that has been burning brightly for approximately 4.6 billion years, fueling life as we know it. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember, you're experiencing the energy produced by a star born 4.6 billion years ago. A star that in its fiery heart holds the secret to our existence.